Manipulating tuples. Tuples are immutable, hence if you want to add, remove or change tuple items, then first you must convert the tuple to a list. Then perform operation on that list and convert it back to tuple. Example. Countries is equal to Spain, Italy, India, England, Germany. Temp is equal to list countries. Temp.append Russia #add item. Temp.pop 3 #remove item. Temp2 is equal to Finland #change item. Countries is equal to tuple temp. Print countries. Output. Spain, Italy, Finland, Germany, Russia. Thus, we convert the tuple to a list, manipulate items of the list using list methods, then convert list back to a tuple. However, we can directly concatenate two tuples without converting them to list. Example. Countries is equal to Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Countries 2 is equal to Vietnam, India, China. Southeast Asia is equal to countries plus countries 2. Print Southeast Asia. Output. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, India, China. Tuple methods. As tuple is immutable type of collection of elements, it have limited built-in methods. They are explained below. Count method. The count method of tuple returns the number of times the given element appears in the tuple. Syntax. Tuple.count element. Example. Tuple 1 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Raise is equal to tuple 1.count 3. Print count of 3 in tuple 1 is raise. Output. 3. Index method. The index method returns the first occurrence of the given element from the tuple. Syntax. Tuple.index element start end. Note, this method raises a value error if the element is not found in the tuple. Example. Tuple is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Raise is equal to tuple.index 3. Print first occurrence of 3 is raise. Output. 3.